I'm Valentino Balboni, born in Italy, living in Italy, still working for Lamborghini. I am enjoying doing what I always did on my life. And I'm very happy and very proud to, that I still represent Lamborghini. Looking at especially at the vintage Lamborghini, it makes me feeling as I was feeling 50 years ago. Keeping the history and the heritage alive is a great pleasure. Driving the modern car is, I would say, extremely pleasant because you have everything you want. The vintage Lamborghini, imagine driving a Countach, which is no power steering. Clutch is so heavy because this is the way it was built. But vintage cars, they attract you driving and you enjoy because you do everything by yourself. You have nothing else helping you, which is good, and it may be bad if you abuse, because there is nothing. If you do a mistake, it's late. If you do something wrong, it's done. If you brake too late, you can have the best brake in the world, but if it's late, it's late. No way. The pleasure of driving the vintage car, it's my first love, my first passion. I developed all my work driving vintage Lamborghini. So even today, when I drive a Lamborghini, I have the same feeling and the same reaction of 50 years ago, which seems easy, which seems not important, but it is so important and so nice to have your mind going back 50 years, having the same feelings, the same sensation, and you feel the car reacting in the same way as it was doing 50 years ago. It's a combination of situations that are amazing.